So deep learning is such a powerful new technology, and it's changing so fast as it's being rapidly adopted by every industry. It can be very tough to keep up with all the latest developments. And that's what this channel is geared towards exactly. We're going to feature a bi-weekly segment dedicated to keeping subscribers informed on all the latest updates in the field of artificial intelligence, specifically related to deep learning. But first, I'm going to catch up all you newbies with a series designed to show you just how accessible this new technology is. Thanks to all the decades of work in machine learning and the willingness of these researchers to provide it open source to the public, we now have very user-friendly frameworks available that are fairly simple to learn if you are tech savvy, have a creative flair, and are willing to put in the time and effort. Second, I'm going to walk you through my path to accessing the resources to take the most advantage of deep learning in my applications. And third, I'm going to do a short series elaborating on the modifications that I made to my workstation to make it more suitable for running some deep learning applications on a local environment before moving on to larger data sets with cloud resources. And we'll get into all of that more in that series. And finally, I'm going to wrap up with a series on the hardware and software that I chose for the creator side of this. Making the process of delivering the information to you as efficient as possible is critical in taking this endeavor on. So then we're going to be delving into industry breakdowns and interviews with experts, academics, and startups, alongside weekly updates of everything new and cutting edge within this exciting new facet of artificial intelligence. Basically, deep learning imitates the way humans gain knowledge using machine learning and neural networks. See, machine learning uses current and historical data fed into algorithms to make software more accurate at predicting outcomes without being programmed to do so. And neural networks are hardware and software designed to imitate the way that neurons operate in the human brain, hence the name neural network. We're going to be going a lot more into precisely how deep learning, neural networks, machine learning, GPU accelerated data systems all kind of work together in the very next series, so check that out. So whether you're a beginner who's looking to understand what deep learning is within artificial intelligence and how neural networks and machine learning and GPU accelerated data systems all kind of work towards achieving the goals of deep learning, or if you're a data scientist already working within artificial intelligence, looking to keep updated with this quickly changing field, or if you have a business interest you're looking to apply deep learning to but you're not sure where to start, then this is the channel for you.